Hi, this is Cheska and welcome back to FastCub Academy. In this episode, we will focus on one of the most important aspects of store operations: proper payment handling and counter accountability. Accurate payment recording ensures clean reporting, transparent staff performance tracking, and protection against cash discrepancies. FastCub is designed to record not just transactions, but who handled them. Understanding payment responsibility. In FastCub-Store, payments are recorded under the account that processed the payment, not necessarily the account that created the order. So this is very important example. Counter A creates the order. Counter B receives the payment. The payment will be credited to Counter B because that user confirmed and processed the payment. So this ensures accurate shift reporting, fair accountability, clear sales attributions. Handling immediate payments. When a walk-in order is created and paid immediately, first, select the correct payment method. Second is confirm the payment. Third is finalize the transaction. So the payment is automatically logged under the currently logged in account. So before all of this, always confirm if the amount is correct and also if the payment method is correct and also the proper confirmation before completion. Handling pay later transaction. If a customer chooses to pay later, the billing order will move to the pending payment section. When the customer returns to pay, the staff must first open the pending payment tab, select the correct order, process the payment, and then confirm the transaction. So the payment will now be recorded under the account that processed it, not the original creators. So this prevents shift confusion, payment disputes, and misattributed sales. Multi-account usage, which is a very important section. So FastCub-Store supports multiple user accounts per branch. So each staff member should have their own login, never share accounts, and log in using their assigned credentials. So why this matters? Because FastCub tracks activity per user accounts, which includes order creation, payment confirmation, status update, and transaction handling. So if accounts are shared, reports become inaccurate, accountability is lost, counter performance cannot be measured correctly. So now, let's move forward to counter level reporting. So inside the reports section, store owners can view payment breakdown per counter, payment breakdown per cash or GCash, sales in total, unpaid orders, and sales per item. While in transaction history, because FastCub records payment under the processing account, the system accurately reflects who received and handled the payment. So this protects store owners, staffs, and business integrity. So now, in operational policy recommendation, to maintain clean reporting, each shift must log in using their own account. So staff must log out at shift change. Payment must be processed by the person physically receiving the money. Never process payment under someone else's login. Leave pay later transaction unsettled and ignore pending payment tab. Discipline in payment handling ensures reliable reporting. So here's a real-world example. In the traditional way, If the staff in the morning shift creates 20 unpaid orders, the staff in the afternoon shifts collects all the payments. Meanwhile, in FastCub, morning shift is credited for order creation recorded in the reports as sales. Afternoon shift is credited for payment handling recorded as cash or e-wallet. So this creates transparent operational flow. Now, for store owners, they should regularly review the following. First is pending payments, second is counter breakdown, and lastly, sales report for shop performance. Consistent monitoring ensures proper checking of all unpaid orders and making sure no reporting errors and no unexplained discrepancies. So why this matters? Improper payment handling can lead to cash shortage, disputes, staff mistrust, and reporting inaccuracies. FastCub is designed to prevent this, but only if used properly. System plus discipline is equals to clean operations. Payment handling is not just a button click. It is a responsibility. FastCub provides structured accountability by tracking who creates and who processes each transaction. In the next episode, we will move into customer app orders and pickup and delivery workflow management. Structured accountability creates structured growth. Again, welcome to FastCub Academy.